I never thought that I will be able to travel to a foreign country by myself without any support. By the way, I am a software engineer graduated from a small tier 2 city in India called Nashik. If you are a working professional or a student finishing your study in India or for the matter in any other country, and you also desire to go abroad for work, and despite of trying a lot, if you are not able to find appropriate path to find your job abroad, then this video is for you. I will share my experience along with the list of all possible countries that you can target without having any sponsorship. I will also share a plan and exact steps that you need to take in order to make your dream come true. Let's talk about the very first step. For working professional, I can assume that you have either tried to find opportunity from your current employer for visa sponsorship, or maybe your employer do not offer any on-site opportunities. I have seen that in my previous company back in India, how people become a part of that rat race and that shitty corporate politics. I have seen many of my colleagues trying to impress or convince their leadership to get recommended for on-site opportunity. It was a very clear indicator for me that I cannot do this additional buttering job in order to stand out and impress my manager, and hence I decided to find a job abroad by myself. Very first step in this job hunt journey is research and preparation. If you really want to achieve your target of moving abroad within a set duration, then you need to prepare accordingly. Now, what do I mean by research and preparation? See, job market research is very important. Let's take an example of IT industry. There are hundreds of generic as well as hundreds of specific roles. There are common titles like backend developer, frontend developer, or mobile app developers, right? But if we see IT jobs in general, be it in Europe, be it in USA or other continents, most of the companies who sponsor visa and hire from foreign countries looks for a specific skill set. If you look at marketing industry, it's a huge industry, right? But there are hundreds of specific roles that you need to find out. And hence, market research is very important. Now, I agree that for software engineers, it is relatively easy to find job abroad. And on the other hand, for non-technical people, it is relatively difficult. But there are many opportunities in IT industry even if you are not a software engineer. For example, quality manager who is responsible to measure quality of product, or delivery manager who understand how release or the delivery of the product works. They are also good in handling the customers. There are a lot of management roles that you can take a look at, and for that you do not really need to be a software engineer. I have seen many people from the different educational background who are really doing great in IT companies. Only thing that they did is they understood the need of market and what type of skill set company is looking for, and then they simply prepared accordingly to get that job. Once you understand the type of opportunities listed on different job portal, then here comes the second step: build your profile. This does not only mean to create a CV, you need to build or polish your skill set according to specific need that you researched in the step 1. Now I imagine that you are in a marketing field, and let's say you found an opportunity which has some additional requirement relevant to digital marketing as well. So study about that if you do not know about that. Or I would say do some certification which might boost your profile to the next level. There are thousands of online certification platforms which are legit and credible. You can do any course certification within just couple of weeks. Then keep your LinkedIn profile up to date and collect as much endorsement and recommendation as you can. And finally, build your job specific CV which will demonstrate exact skills required by that job that you are applying for. Now let's talk about the countries that allow employers to hire people from abroad. Or I would say those who offer some kind of visa with less complications. If you are from India or Asia, then North America and Europe are the most promising continent to look for a job. However, USA do not provide any exclusive job search or temporary permit for self-sponsored job hunt. You need to think about different path if you want to move to USA. For example, doing master's program. And this route is a bit expensive. To get a job, you have to spend like time and money for doing masters and bachelors. Another way could be to apply for PR in Canada, for which you need to go through some process, and it is a point-based evaluation. Your age, your qualification, IELTS exam score, everything will count here. But this is also a good path, I would say. Let's talk about few European countries where the shortage of labor is getting increased day by day. Obviously, Germany ranks at number 1. According to the DW report published on 26th of July 2022, it says that Germany is running out of human resource, mainly in heavy industry, healthcare and household maintenance. So if you are from electrical, mechanical, nursing background, or even if you are a cook or chef, you have a good chance to find job in Germany. Well, how to find job in Germany? I have created many videos and you can find them on my channel. I will be releasing a lot of content which will help you to get job here in Europe. So please subscribe to this channel. There are two types of visa that you can think of if you want to work in Germany. First, job seekers visa, and another one is freelancers or artist visa. There are few more ways like company-based internship. More details about this you can find in this video. Germany is also launching a new type of visa called Janssen Carter or point-based visa system, which is a similar like Canada PR, and it is also easy and promising way compared with the job seekers visa. If you are interested to know more about Janssen Carter, then check out this video. Like Germany, Netherlands is also publishing a tons of job opportunities, and the employers in Netherlands are also supportive for visas and foreign talents. There are opportunities for both fresh graduates and experienced professionals as well. Orientation visa and high-skill migrant sponsorship are two visa options that you can explore. Then there are few more countries that you can further explore, like Italy, Greece, Malta, Czech Republic, or even France, which offers visa either for seeking job or freelancing work or for specially skilled laborers. I hope you got some values from this video, and if you're really planning to move Germany for work or study, then I promise you that this channel will help you a lot. So do not hesitate to subscribe. Also, if you really like this video, then please hit the like button so that I can grow my small channel and reach out to more people. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Meanwhile, take care, stay healthy and stay wealthy. Bye.